Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT has increased by -2.98% to 69,259.99 from yesterday, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by -3.97% to 3,727.75, and the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by 2.52% to 618.4.
Latest news.
Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 68,000 USDT with a 3.97% 3.97 decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 68,000 USDT as market sentiment remains cautious. On March 15, 2024, at 21:30 p.m. UTC, Bitcoin is currently trading at 67,931.148438 USDT, with a 3.97% 3.97 decrease in 24 hours. The market sentiment remains cautious as investors remain cautious about the potential impact of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and the global economic situation. Canto blockchain unveils Cyclone stack and reverses decision to become Ethereum Layer 2 network. Canto, a Cosmos-based Layer 1 blockchain designed for decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, has announced the launch of its Cyclone stack, aimed at scaling and improving performance. The company has also reversed its previously announced plan to shift to an Ethereum Layer 2 network. In September, Canto announced that it would become an Ethereum Layer 2 network using Polygon's Chain Development Kit, CDK. However, the team clarified on Friday that it will continue to function as a Cosmos-based Layer 1 network and run Polygon's Type 1 prover, plugging into their aggregation layer, AggLayer, designed to unify blockchain liquidity. Canto representative told CoinDesk that the decision to remain a Layer 1 network was made amongst all major contributors of the project, and it will tap into Polygon's AggLayer after completing some other upgrades. Canto is now pushing ahead with its new Cyclone stack update, which consists of 3 key upgrades called the Callisto upgrade, the Calicore upgrade, and the Elara upgrade. The upgrade is designed to speed up block times, increase storage access speeds, and set new standards for execution. Canto's Cyclone stack will also be fully compatible with all Ethereum virtual machine (EVM) tooling and applications, enhancing its platform for both developers and users alike. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29. Debate emerges over Bitcoin versus MicroStrategy as better investment. MicroStrategy, the world's largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, experienced a 155% increase in value since the beginning of the year, making it a better investment option than Bitcoin, BTC, according to CryptoPotato. The company's strong performance has led to debate in the crypto industry whether it is a better investment than Bitcoin spot ETFs. However, critics argue that MicroStrategy carries corporate risk compared to actual Bitcoin, as management may change its strategy. The company's use of cheap financing and leverage buy on cheap financing can act like a levered BTC long. Some analysts, including Willy Woo, compare MicroStrategy to a Bitcoin spot ETF without a management fee. The company's 205,000 BTC on its balance sheet is nearly 1% of all BTC that will ever exist. The net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29 indicates strong demand for MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings. Ethereum, Surpasses 3,800 USDT with a 0.23% 0.24 decrease in 24 hours. Ethereum crosses 3,800 USDT benchmark on March 15, 2024, with 0.03 decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, surpasses 70,000 USDT with a 0.68% 0.68 increase in 24 hours. Bitcoin crosses 70,000 USDT benchmark on March 15, 2024, with 0.68% increase in 24 hours. Shiba Inu forecasted to surge 150% amid growing interest and ecosystem advancements. Shiba Inu price prediction strong recent performance, potential breakout, growing interest. According to Crypto Potato, Shiba Inu's price is expected to increase significantly, with analysts predicting a potential breakout above key resistance levels. Interest in the cryptocurrency is growing, as indicated by rising Google searches and advancements in its ecosystem, such as the Ethereum Layer 2 solution. Shiba Inu's price has been experiencing a downfall, but the broader correction in the cryptocurrency market is expected to start pumping again, with long traders being the most affected. Analyst Javon Marks, of Crypto Potato, believes that SHIB has shown massive strength as of late, with a potential breakout above the resistance level of 0.00008美元, propelling an additional 147% surge. A break and hold above 0.00008美元 may only open up room for another 正 90% upside to 0.00053美元, he concluded. Earlier this month, analysts Ollie and Jake also laid out bullish predictions for SHIB, with the latter forecasting that the asset could become the biggest meme coin in 2025. The meme coin's impressive performance in the past weeks, its potential to offer investors the chance to make substantial profits, and other reasons might explain why interest in Shiba Inu has been growing. The asset's popularity in terms of Google searches spiked to a level unseen since December 2021, with the nations most interested in the token being the United States, Singapore, Belgium, Canada, and the Netherlands. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution, Superiority, and its burning program have also experienced significant revival, with total transactions on the network surpassing the 400 million mark, while at one point, the burn rate skyrocketed by 30.000%. Name, phone number, email. Bitcoin, BTC, surpasses 69,000 USDT with a 1.88% decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin crosses 69,000 USDT benchmark on March 15, 2004, with a 1.88% decrease in 24 hours. According to Binance market data, Bitcoin has now trading at 69,106.859375 USDT, with a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29 th. Robert Kiyosaki praises Bitcoin's superiority over gold, silver, and oil. Bitcoin Spot ETF experiences record inflow of $92.3 million on February 29 th. Renowned American author and businessman Robert Kiyosaki has once again expressed his support for Bitcoin, BTC, praising its superiority over traditional assets like gold, silver, and oil. In a recent tweet, Kiyosaki elaborated on why he believes Bitcoin stands out among these assets. He acknowledged his ownership of gold and silver mines along with oil wells, but pointed out a fundamental flaw in these traditional assets. The more they are mined, the more their values are diluted, unlike Bitcoin, which has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. Kiyosaki's long-term bullish stance on Bitcoin is well known, with him consistently advising people to accumulate the cryptocurrency. Recently, he projected that Bitcoin could surge to $300,000 by the end of 2024, showing his optimism about its future prospects. Michael Saylor, the executive chairman of MicroStrategy, recently claimed in a CNBC interview that Bitcoin would eat gold in the coming months. Saylor dubbed Bitcoin as digital gold, citing its superiority over the precious metal due to its remarkable qualities. According to Saylor, Bitcoin possesses all the positive attributes of gold without any of its drawbacks. He highlighted Bitcoin's digital transferability, which contrasts with the logistical challenges of transporting gold globally. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balcones predicted that spot Bitcoin ETFs are on track to surpass gold ETFs. Balcones emphasized the ease with which spot Bitcoin ETFs could counter the yellow metal counterparties, indicating a shifting preference among investors. Nate Geraci, the founder of ETF Store, also provided evidence of Bitcoin's growing dominance. He noted that total flows into 9 new spot Bitcoin ETFs over the past 2 months exceed the total flows into all physical gold ETFs over the past 5 years. According to Balcones, since the rollout of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States, investors have poured billions of dollars into the product, amassing a collective $55 billion in assets under management, and facilitating $110 billion in trades since January. Layer 2 networks offer cheaper swapping and liquidity provisions than Ethereum mainnet. Uniswap Labs researcher Austin Adams submits new paper that suggests Layer 2 swapping and liquidity provision is significantly cheaper than Ethereum's mainnet. According to the research, chains like Arbitrum created over 3 times more liquidity positions this past year than Ethereum. 97.5% of swappers with trades under $125,000 performed better on Layer 2s than on Ethereum mainnet. Ethereum is responsible for only around 25% of the total transaction count but over 60% of the volume, indicating network activity is still predominantly on Layer 2s. Liquidity providers are making 20% more in returns from arbitrage on Layer 2s than on the mainnet. However, the paper also notes drawbacks to trading on Layer 2s, such as the centralized sequencer and lack of decentralized fraud proofs. Developers of Layer 2 networks are working to address these concerns, with Optimism recently revealing a permissionless fault-proof system, and shared sequencer networks like Espresso exploring ways to diversify sequencers for rollups. Adams believes that the studied generalized Layer 2s still have many benefits that users can utilize today, and any future improvements will only continue to enhance the trading experience. Ripple's price declines, but support levels may push it higher. Ripple's price is on a decline following a report from Crypto Potato. The cryptocurrency has failed to maintain its upward momentum and is currently testing support levels. In the USDT paired chart, the price attempted to reach 70 cents but rejected decisively. If Ripple fails to hold above the 200-day MA, it could face another decline. In the Bitcoin paired chart, XRP's situation is worse, with the price dropping consistently and yet to find a bottom. The relative strength index is still below 50% Wuchi, indicating bearish momentum. As a result, it is too soon to predict if the market will bottom out or not. Bitcoin price corrects after weeks of rallying. Technical and on-chain analysis. The US Bitcoin Spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29, leading market participants to question if a deeper crash is on the horizon. Crypto Potato reports that Bitcoin's price has corrected by around 10% after weeks of aggressive rallying, with the 1,000K resistance level rejected and the market dropping below the 1,000K support level. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is showing bearish divergence, indicating a prolonged correction is likely. On the 4-hour chart, the market is testing the 1,000K support zone and the bearish breakout is likely to lead to a further decline toward the 1,000K level in the short term. The Bitcoin short-term holder spent output profit ratio, STH-SOPR, has been making a new record high, indicating that short-term holders are aggressively realizing their profits. Until this selling behavior continues, the price can still drop lower in the coming weeks. BOME surpasses 0.01 USDT mark. Foresight News reports that BOME, a leading provider of blockchain technology solutions, has broken through the 0.01 USDT threshold with its current price standing at 0.01011 USDT. The company's success highlights the growing demand for its innovative solutions in the blockchain industry. BNB surpasses 600 USDT with a 1.8% increase in 24 hours. Binance BNB crosses 600 USDT benchmark with 1.8% increase in 24 hours. This verbal press release has been generated based on the information provided in the report. It is important to verify the accuracy of the report before making any investment decisions.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all an abundant supply of cryptocurrency. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always be prepared to take on the challenges that come your way. Cheers to financial success and continued growth. #cryptocurrency #success